Mr. Dieter, the focus of public attention is currently very much on climate change and by extension on carbon neutrality of the automotive production. Many car manufacturers like VW, Daimler, Volvo have set themselves very ambitious targets and are planning for their production to be carbon neutral in the future. How can Dürr support its customers in this?
This is a very important topic also for Dürr since many years, and our research and development departments are concentrating on that subject since more than a decade. A paint shop is a very energy-consuming factory, and already since 10 years ago, we introduced a new technology which was allowing us to reduce energy consumption by 70% compared to a paint shop 15 years ago. It was a big innovation in that area, and still today is state-of-the-art technology.
Can you give us a specific product example and explain this resource-saving technology in more detail, please?
In particular, in our paint application area, we developed really a totally breakthrough innovation in terms of overspray-free painting. As you know, today many cars have two colors, so the roof has a different tone, black or white or whatever. And traditionally, those cars to produce, you have to go two times through the paint shop. You have a lot of masking involved, and so manual labor, and also a lot of plastic foil is used. And with our new spray application, we can paint the roof without any masking and without any overspray. And this is a really around about 25% again reduction in terms of energy and resources.
Dürr is flying the flag of digitization. How can digitization contribute to sustainability?
Actually a lot, because all the efforts we are undertaking in digitization are mainly focused on higher productivity or higher availability of the plants. And in doing so already you are more resource efficient than a normal way of working. And we have a lot of new applications who are able to achieve higher overall equipment efficiency. And that's very important for our customers in terms of money, but also in terms of resources. A good example for a very intelligent software that we developed in our homework group is called IntelliDivide, which allows the customer, the factory, to optimize the cutting of the wood panels. So you have a choice of, let's say, reducing most the waste or highest throughput, various options to optimize. And I think that's to save wood is also a very big contribution to resources.
Definitely it is. Thank you, Mr. Dieter, for the interview.
Thank you very much.